So students, let us continue our discussions on tangents and normals. ऑलरेडी मैं डेफिनेशन बता दिया था टेंजेंट का. व्हाट इज टेंजेंट? फिर से मैं एक बार बोल रहा हूँ. व्हाट इज टेंजेंट? व्हाट इज टेंजेंट? ए टेंजेंट is a straight line which touches a curve at a particular point, say P. So this straight line is the tangent. And what is normal? A normal is also a straight line which is passing through the point and is perpendicular to the tangent line. This is called a continuous curve. Say the equation of the curve is y is equal to f of x. Equation of the curve is y equal to f of x. This straight line is called tangent and this one is normal. So this is all about your tangents and normals. Definition of tangents and normals. Now today I will discuss about the slope and the equations of tangents and normals. See, tangent and normal both are straight lines. Now how can we find the slope of a straight line? Slope of tangent. Let us discuss first the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent कैसे निकालना है देखो, ये नोट डाउन कर लो. Let y is equal to f of x be a continuous curve. What is y equal to f of x? Be a continuous curve. ये जो नोट दे रहा हूँ मैं, नोट डाउन कर लो ठीक से. Let y is equal to f of x be a continuous curve and let p of x1, y1, ये जो पॉइंट p है इसका कोऑर्डिनेट पकड़ लिया मैं x1, y1. That p of x1, y1 be a point on it. Y equal to f of x be a continuous curve and p of x1, y1 be a point on it. On it means ये कर्व के ऊपर ये पॉइंट है. Then dy by dx at point p of x1, y1 is called the slope of the tangent. Is called the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x. Okay, so this is the formula. एक बार फिर से देख लो. y is equal to f of x is a continuous curve and p of x1, y1 be any point on the curve. Then dy by dx at this particular point p of x1, y1 is called the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to f of x. तो अभी क्वेश्चन है कि ये dy by dx कहाँ से मिलेगा? Very simple. dy by dx we can find from the equation of the curve which will be given in the question. Question में ये curve का equation दिया रहेगा. If we don't know the equation of a curve, then how can we find the slope of the tangent? So y is equal to f of x, this should be given in the question, and from this curve, from this equation only we can find the value of dy by dx which is the slope of the tangent. ये बात याद रखना. Okay, so dy by dx at p of x1, y1 is called the slope of the tangent. Now slope is denoted by what? ऑलरेडी मैं डिस्कस किया और तुम लोगों को स्ट्रेट लाइन चैप्टर में भी मिल गया. स्लोप इज डिनोटेड बाय m. स्लोप इज डिनोटेड बाय m. दैट मीन्स m is equal to, we can write dy by dx. m is equal to dy by dx. Okay, so this is all about your the slope of the tangent. Now equation of the tangent. slope मिल गया. अभी equation कैसे निकालना है? What is tangent? Tangent is a straight line. Yes or not? So tangent अगर straight line है तो equation of a straight line, क्वेश्चन वही है. equation of the tangent का मतलब है equation of the straight line. So this straight line देख लो ठीक से डायग्राम. this straight line is passing through how many points? This straight line is passing through only one point. What is that point? P of x1 comma y1. Okay, so since the straight line is passing through only one point, then what is the equation of a straight line passing through a point with slope m? Straight line में तो मिला था, equation of a straight line passing through a point with slope m is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 or not? This is the equation of a straight line passing through a point with slope m or not? जो फॉर्मूला में लिखा अभी वही फॉर्मूला को यूज करके मैं इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट निकालूंगा, बिकॉज टेंजेंट इज नथिंग बट ए स्ट्रेट लाइन ओनली, एंड हियर ऑल्सो द स्ट्रेट लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू ओनली दिस पॉइंट. So the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x is, देख लो, y minus y1, because here also the line is passing through only one point. Y minus y1 is equal to, replace this m by dy by dx at p of x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. सिर्फ एक ही चीज चेंज हुआ. क्या चेंज हुआ? m के जगह में dy by dx लिखा. दैट्स इट. बाकी सब तो सेम है. y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1, which is the equation of the tangent line. याद रखना ये नोट, ये जो मैं लिखा नोट, ये पूरा ठीक से लिख लो. हेडिंग पहले दे दो, स्लोप्स एंड द इक्वेशंस ऑफ टेंजेंट्स एंड नॉर्मल्स. यहाँ पे मैं सिर्फ टेंजेंट के बारे में डिस्कस किया. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड दिस वन इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट लाइन. ठीक है, सो इक्वेशन और स्लोप मिल गया टेंजेंट का. सो इफ यू नो द इक्वेशन ऑफ द टेंजेंट, यू कैन tell me the equation of normal as well as the slope of the normal also. Very simple. देख लो, normal is also a straight line, yes or not? And this straight line is perpendicular to this straight line or not? So when the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then we know the product of their slope is always equal to -1. m1 into m2 equal to -1, yes or not? So स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल क्या होगा? वेरी वेरी सिंपल. स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल, इफ आई कंसिडर m1 बी द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एंड m2 बी द स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल, देन m1 इंटू m2 इक्वल टू -1 और नॉट? तो m1 का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी मिल गया ना मुझे, dy by dx, yes or not? dy by dx at point p into m2 which is equal to -1, yes? So m2 is equal to, can I write -1 by dy by dx at point p of x1 comma y1, because the normal is also passing through this particular point only. So this is nothing but minus dx by dy at point p of x1 comma y1 we can write. So this is slope of normal, minus dx by dy at point p of x1 comma y1. And what is slope of tangent? dy by dx at point p of x1 comma y1. So ये हो गया slope of normal. Therefore equation of normal, see normal is also passing through a point. So therefore the equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus of dx by dy at point p of x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. सब कुछ सेम है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे dx by dy माइनस एक साइन आएगा, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप इज इक्वल टू -1. दैट्स वाई माइनस ऑफ dx by dy at point p of x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. दिस इज इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल. ये ठीक से नोट डाउन कर लो. इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट, इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट एज वेल एज स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल. ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.